Hello guys, I'm Nancy and today we are starting a new series of reacting on a very iconic series which is from the genre is suspense and horror, and that is not very my type. Suspense is but horror is not. In fact, I get petrified, मुझे नींद नहीं आती है. So I don't know whether it is my type or not, but we are watching it. And also a new season, that is fourth season, is coming on 19th April. So the aim is to finish off at least all of the episodes and the three seasons that are already out. So we are in touch with the previous thing, and we can start watching fourth season as soon as it drops. So yeah, let's start. This is typical horror movie का मतलब अगर ये नहीं है तो क्या हुआ? Could this be more stereotypical? That is a sign for the whole city कि it's time to close down because something bad is about to happen. And there's this old man and it is signifying कि he has been through a lot. It is giving more of dark जैसा कुछ हो सकता है. Nights without incident मतलब कुछ तो होता है यहाँ पे. No one's gonna kill you. I mean, you are saying no one's gonna kill you. Are you serious? Like there are people who is killing is happening in this series. At least that's what we know now. Typical men behavior. यहाँ पे उसकी बीवी रो रही है कि भाई फ्रैंक घर आ जा घर आ जा घर आ जा, और फ्रैंक वहाँ पे पी के टून होके पड़ा हुआ है इतना बड़ा पेट लेके. आई जस्ट हैव अ फीलिंग दैट ही इज गोइंग टू डाई एंड दैट्स हाउ द एपिसोड इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. फट रही है भैया.
Do you promise?
I promise. And I would never break a promise.
No, don't go, don't go, don't go. No, man. Oh my god.
I missed you so much.
Bro, she looks so scary.
Megan, what are you doing?
You don't look like my grandma.
She's not your grandma.
What the fuck, bro? What will be, will be, will be. Que será, será. What will be, will be.
A man protects his family, Brink. A man protects his
family.
Look what you did. Stop crying. Look what you fucking did.
Oh my.
Open your eyes and look.
That's no
Look
joke.
at them. Look at them. Look at her.
That
Look at her.
that is no joke, and in fact that is कौन सा मॉन्स्टर ऐसे मार के खा जा रहा है भाई. उसके रिब्स अतड़ियाँ बाहर खींच ली है उसने, मॉन्स्टर ने. ही इज लेजिट मॉन्स्टर. ही इज नो जोक ब्रदर, नो जोक. Some serious monster shit is happening in this city. Oh my god, I'm scared. Okay, so this rock sign thing, यहाँ पे कुछ सीन है, यहाँ पे कुछ हो रहा है. ये रॉक साइन का कुछ तो है. आई एम नॉट श्योर वॉट बिकॉज इट वॉज ऑन द डोर. सो इट इज़ लाइक नींबू मिर्ची फॉर जर्मन पीपल आई थिंक, और मे बी दिस सिटी, कि इससे भूत प्रेत आत्माएं अंदर नहीं आती हैं. देयर सो मेनी क्रोज देयर. और अभी थोड़े टाइम पहले इन्होंने अभी वो किया था, बात की थी कि नॉर्मन इज डेड एंड ये वो वगैरह वगैरह. इट फील्स समथिंग सीरियस इज गोइंग टू हैपन. दे आर गोइंग टू गेट अटैक्ड. कुछ भी हो सकता है. ओके, सो अ न्यू फैमिली, आई मीन जिन्होंने क्रोज वगैरह देखे थे, दे हैव एंटर्ड टू द सिटी. they will be shook, I think. The way this chief has helped the, I mean, जिन्होंने detour किया था, हो गया था जिनसे, उनको हेल्प किया है. It is looking कि actual में हेल्प था नहीं. He is very scared for them. Like the chief is scared for the people. Oh my God, they went up. वो पूरा राउंड मार के सेम जगह पे आ गए हैं. पता नहीं कुछ तो चल रहा है यहाँ पे. It is like a, it is something. I can't explain it. It looks like a loop of something, and it is interesting. Oh my God, एक तो ये white पहन के खड़ी हुई है and her face. Oh my God, this is scary. इनका एक्सीडेंट हुआ है. Oh my God, this does not look good for them. Oh my God.
Come here, baby. Tabby. I need to hear from you both back there. Julie, I need you to look at me. Are you okay?
This does not look good. Who is this? Oh my God, he looks so hot.
Can you squeeze my fingers? Squeeze them harder. Great. Can you move your toes? Lift up your feet. Good. Okay, can you grab me the water bottle from the car? Thanks.
Hey, this one's got New York plates. Weren't Sarah and Nathan from New York?
They were Boston, I think.
Boston, New York.
It is about to get dark and they are all so injured. They don't even know about the situation. It is building up anxiety. It is giving me, my heartbeats are rising. To be honest, this white gown woman is not giving me good vibes. ये कुछ तो चल रहा है इसका और ये मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अजीब सी लग रही है. समझ नहीं आ पा रहा है मुझे इसका. कुछ तो है लेकिन she is weird as hell, bro. Her tone and everything, it's weird. No.
Everything's going to be alright.
Everything's gonna be alright. Oh my God, who does that? Who talks like that to a stranger? And her eyes are not good. It is. I would never talk to her. Can you fix the kid up in the RV? RV is what, this van? भैया ये तो मुझे, ये मेरी को मार देगी ऐसे घूर के. शी इज़ गिविंग मी घोस्ट वाइब्स. मैं इमेजिन करो मैं बीमार हूँ, मैं सोई हुई हूँ एंड शी इज़ लाइक, व्हाट द हेल, डोंट स्टेयर एट मी लाइक दैट. आई डोंट लाइक इट.
This isn't your fault.
Kissing without consent, bro.
What do you mean? That asshole helicopter car get you into trouble?
She literally stabbed a knife in her neck. They forgot to take off the nails from the road and now the tire is punctured.
Shit!
Now it is.
You left the fucking spacesuit down!
It's okay. Make understand about what happens next. Hi,
Okay, he's awake.
Seizure, he's getting
We're fine.
seizure.
Just
Oh my
keep
God.
covering the windows. Jim, I need you right under his
The
neck.
monster
Okay, use
is
your forearms to
trying. The monster is trying to hurt, I think.
get right under his head. Just like that. Yeah, you're doing great. Good.
There are sounds coming. What is about to happen? It is raining. It is dark. Oh my God.
They're coming.
There are multiple people coming. and it's done. Now I can't stop. भाई मुझे पता करना है कि आगे क्या हुआ. In the second episode, what happened, bro? मेरे को जानना है. What is the suspense? The end for this was crazy. Now I want to just watch the next episode. I just can't stop. That's all it is now. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you want to watch the further episodes, what happened and etc., please subscribe to this channel because I will be reacting to the whole season, and I've just watched episode 1 and it is amazing.